Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you all this flat twist out that I did on my natural hair. Now, sometimes I just need something quick and easy to do to my hair, and sometimes a wash and go is just not what I'm looking for. So I did have a couple of hours to get something done to my hair, and I was able to sit under the dryer to achieve this hairstyle. So of course I am going to go ahead and section off the back section of my hair, and this is where I will do my first row of flat twists. I will be using my almond milk leave-in conditioner as well as my favorite Shea Moisture curl stretch pudding. I really love this Shea Moisture product because it has a really nice thick consistency. It's very creamy and my hair really soaks up the moisture. So of course I'm going to apply that on my hair as well as the leave-in conditioner, and I am going to make sure that I work that through every single section. For the sake of drying time, I am going for what I call medium sections. They're kind of small, but they're kind of medium as well. The smaller sections that you do, it will allow your hair to dry faster. However, you also want to be mindful of how much time you are taking to actually put the twist in. So once I go through every section, I will add a little bit more cream product and then detangle, and then I will begin twisting as tightly as possible. I am being very careful to make sure that when I pick up hair that the section is clean and that I am not going to have any straggly pieces when I get ready to take down the hair. So you want to make sure that when you take these twists down that the curls are just falling apart by themselves and you won't have to worry about separating. This is why I love flat twists, because it does the separating for you. And of course you're going to want to repeat these going in the same direction in the back. Now when you get to the middle section, you are actually going to want to twist with both of your hands at the back of your head. Now this is going to make sure that the hair is not going all to the side and that it is going to be hanging straight down. That is the key to twisting your middle twist in the middle of your head. Now I am tightening these twists up by rolling them in the direction that they are going in. This is going to make sure that you have a defined twist and that they don't loosen up and unravel, just like this. And I'm going to clip them to secure them in place, and I am going to repeat this process all over my head. I am going to create another section across my head where I have a front and a middle section. So I'm just splitting that right in half. And then these next row of twists that I am getting ready to do, I am also going to do them straight to the back, but also the ones on the sides, I will be going in a slanted direction. Don't forget to coil those ends. Now in the front, I am going to be doing these flat twists away from the part. I wanted my hair to go in this direction where I have somewhat of a middle part, so I am going to twist my hair in that direction. So that is a key tip when you're doing your flat twist. Twist your hair in the direction that you want your curls to lay. Now, because I don't wear much edge control these days, I am using the Mousse Depth to lay down my edges. This product has been working wonders on my hair, and what I like most about it is that it doesn't put much stress on my edges because it is a product that allows the hair to move pretty easily. And I'm using this black strip just to lay down my edges, and I am going to sit up under the dryer. Now, for the sake of time, I am going for about 95% dry, just so that I can be ready when Stefan is ready to go out today. Now that I am from up under the dryer, it is time for the takedown. So of course I am removing the black strip, and as you all can see, my edges are pretty much laid, and I am going to remove the clips. Now before I get into the takedown, I am going to add some of my Curl Shine. I did re-up on this product. You all know that I really love this finishing spray. As I take my hair down, I am making sure that I rub some of that Curl Shine spray into my hair strands, and I am just unraveling the twist, and then I am pulling apart the pieces that I have picked up along the way while I was doing the twist. This is what I mean where you don't have to worry about separating, because when you take these down, your hair is separated for you. And of course, I will repeat this process all over my head until all of my curls have been released from the twist. And here are what my curls are looking like when I have removed all of my flat twists. And of course, I always like to shake my hair to see where my hair naturally wants to lay. I am fluffing my roots out with this end of the hair comb. I am not a fan of pits, or maybe I just haven't found the right pit. So I use the end of that comb, and I am actually going to add a little twist as a headband right here in the front of my head. I felt like my hair was continuously falling in my face, and it was a little hot today, so I kind of wanted to keep most of it out of my way. So I'm just going to form a little twist right here, and I will pin that to the side. And here are the final results. This flat twist was actually achieved in 2 hours, which is typically enough time for me to get ready on the weekends to go out for a little brunch or a little date. And as always, I hope you all found this video helpful and useful, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. See ya!